What is up, everyone? It is your girl here, Alex, and today I'm gonna be playing this random car game that I found. Because I was playing you know how I play those slime games, and I play a lot of just random games on the App Store. So I got an ad, and they showed like this car, I guess, race car game where you can like, race other cars and like do cool stuff. I believe it's 3D. I don't know exactly. I just got the app, so I just saw the ad, and then it seems cool, so I decided to download it. So yeah, I'm gonna see how it is. Anyway, let's see. I better not get other ads, because I better not get more ads, because I freaking hate ads, which we probably will, but I'll try not to get annoyed. I know, right? Also, my sister Chloe's in the background. Okay, guys, we are racing now. Oh, wait, I'm closing the block. Let's see. Oh, shit. This is really cool. Well, I am on level 5. I did try this game out earlier before I made this video. I decided to explore the game, but I'm exploring a little bit more on this video. So yeah, I'm on level 5. Okay. Let's go here. Yes, I ran the race, bruh. Let's go. Won the race, bruh. It wants me to watch an ad to claim a RCB. I guess something for the car. I don't know nothing really about this game, so I'm just gonna lose it. I don't think I need it. My car's blue. Tap to continue. Oh my god, another. Oh my god. First ad we have, guys. Okay. How do I get out of this? I can't even. Bro, I don't want to play this. I don't want to get it. I don't care about Candy Crush, bro. I don't care about Candy Crush. No thanks. Okay, guys, let's go. Second race, guys. Level 6. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, fuck, you stupid. Ooh, that white car picked me up. Freaking trying to hit me. You know what? The white car hit me. And the yellow. I put him through the wall. And then the yellow car tried to get in my. Oh, I swear to God. The yellow car tried getting in my way. I think it was the one. Oh my God! I keep hitting walls. Okay, can we go? Oh! Okay, you can do this. Come on. Okay, let's go. Oh! Come on. Okay. No! Oh. Come on. Okay, come on. You can do this. Yeah! Let's go! This is complete. There's probably a lot of levels, so I'm probably just gonna play as many levels as I want and then end the video. I don't want this. Don't care. And another ad. Come on. Like, I could have just randomly just claimed that other thing and just watch the ad and then just claim something instead of just watching ads for no reason. How do I get out of this? Okay, I don't care. Like, why do I think I care? Bro, stop. Ah, you fucking... Bro, get me out of here. I don't want to be in this ad. Okay, I'm gonna play one more level, guys, and then on the video, because I'm really getting tired of these ads. What the fuck do they want $7 for to buy these certain... I don't want this. The fuck? Bro. Just so you know, guys, just a note, when I play games, I know I didn't really say this in my intro. When I play games, I have a tendency of talking to myself, raging, or just, yeah, talking, basically, yeah. Ranting, yeah. Oh my god, did my car just freaking flip over? And why am I bumping in the blocks? Okay, once I get to level 8, my last level, and then I will end this video because I am tired and I'm Let's go! Anyway, guys, that's about it with this game. I'll see you in the next video.